Hey there, friends! Today, we have a fantastic DIY natural cockroach repellent that you won't want to miss. So, let's dive right in and save your home from those pesky roaches. First up, let's grab some baking soda. This powdery substance is not only great for baking, but it's also an excellent natural insecticide. To make this cockroach repellent, simply combine equal parts of baking soda and sugar in a bowl. Next, add a little water to the mixture and stir until you have a paste-like consistency. Once you have your mixture ready, it's time to get crafty. Create small balls with the paste and place them strategically around your home, focusing on areas where cockroaches are most likely to hide: cracks, crevices, behind appliances, etc. These tiny balls will attract the cockroaches and give them a taste they won't forget. When a cockroach indulges in this concoction, it will ingest both the sugar and the baking soda, and guess what happens next? The reaction between these two ingredients produces carbon dioxide gas, which can be deadly for these pests. So there you have it. A simple yet effective DIY natural cockroach repellent using baking soda. Give it a try and share your results with us in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting DIY tips. See you next time.